Let's make this beautiful crochet tulip border. Take a green yarn and make a slip knot. Insert the hook under a stitch, pull the slip knot and make a chain. Make another chain. Now, make a double crochet into the same stitch. Make 3 chains. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. Now, skip 2 stitch and make a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Again, make 3 chains. Then make a double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end of your project. After the last double crochet, make 2 chains and slip stitch into the same place. We will make tulips in these triangle gaps. Take the pink yarn and make a slip knot. Pull the knot through the gap and make a chain. Next, make 6 double crochet into the gap. After the 6th double crochet, keep a visible loop this way. Next, insert the hook on top of the first double crochet. Next, insert hook into that loop and pull through. Make 3 chains. Again, make 6 double crochet into the next gap and repeat the pattern till the end.